Kevin here with Consumer View, and today we'll be unboxing the GoPro 7 Hero Black. This is an Amazon renewed item, so we're going to see how they did with the packaging. So here it is, the GoPro 7 Hero Black. Let's open it up and take a look. Okay, so not too bad. It comes in a pretty sturdy box. Just want to mention that GoPro comes in 3 levels. There's the Hero White, the Hero Silver, and then the top of the line, what we have here is the Hero Black. So let's go ahead and see. It looks like we have a box. If I can get this box out, you can see what's in it. Okay, what's in this box? What does it come with? What do we have? Okay, looks like we have a clip with a, let me move this out the way. Looks like we have a clip with 3M adhesive tape. Okay, and then we've got, oh, if I could open this, packaging, can't get that open. Okay, so here we go, we have another clip with a 3M adhesive. We've got a USB to USB-C type cable, I guess that's for charging and data transfer. And then we also have, this looks to be like the battery. You can see that here? Yeah, that's the battery. That's what that would be. And we can tell by the markings. It says caution and everything on it. So that's what it comes with. That's what's in that box. Now back over to the main box. What do we have? If I can get this out. We actually have the GoPro itself. And that's it. Nothing else in the box. Looks to be in good condition. Let me try one of these clips. See how that works. Maybe I can get this to clip on, maybe I can't. I mean, I'm trying this now for the first time. First GoPro, so please bear with me. Okay, well, it doesn't look like I'll be able to get that on, but I'll take some time to figure that out later. So you see I pull here forward, it unlocks, and then the camera comes out of this shell, if I can get it out. Must be an easy way. Okay, so you just slide gently and it comes out. This is the actual camera. And this is like a protective case. It's not waterproof or anything, but it looks like this is the case so you can clip it to the attachments. Okay, let me put that back in there. And there you have it. Unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Amazon Prime renewed item. And for more content like this, click on the file named thumb links at the end of the video.